Up here, the traffic disappears. The horns, the sirens, the endless buzz of the city, all become background music. Not because the noise stopped, but because you rose above it. This is what peace feels like. Not silence, not absence, but altitude. Peace is the art of reclaiming your emotional center in a world addicted to chaos. It's the moment your nervous system exhales. When you choose not to fight every fire, defend every misunderstanding, or chase every timeline. It's not passive. It's not weak. It's sovereignty. Above the noise, chaos becomes a pattern. Clarity becomes a decision. Your limbic system, the emotional command center of your brain, is designed to react fast, to protect. But that's not you. That's programming. And the moment you start breathing intentionally, you shift from reaction to response. Even 1 minute of conscious breathwork reduces amygdala activity and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. You don't just calm down. You reclaim the throne in your own mind. Now let's go deeper. Awe. That feeling when your jaw drops and your soul softens is medicine. According to studies by Keltner and Haidt, viewing vast, expansive visuals like this skyline triggers awe, which in turn reduces inflammation, increases compassion, and restores perspective. This is why people travel to mountaintops and oceans. But you're learning to carry the mountain inside you. You're becoming the still point in a spinning world. Detachment isn't avoidance. It's alignment. It's choosing what gets your energy. It's no longer leaking your light into every conflict, every scroll, every craving for external validation. Peace is not the absence of noise. It's the presence of you, fully, whole, unbothered. When you regulate your breath, you regulate your story. The world can scream, but if your inner narrator is calm, then baby, you've already won. Here's what the science confirms. According to the polyvagal theory, Stephen Porges, the vagus nerve is the primary gateway between your nervous system and emotional response. When activated through breath, hums, or grounding rituals, this nerve switches you from survival mode, fight/flight/freeze, into rest, digest, and reconnect. That's not just relaxation. That's reclaiming energetic control. That's choosing your own frequency in a world of static. Self-sovereignty begins in the body, not with hustle, not with productivity, not with figuring it out, but with presence. Still, listening, rooted like an oak in a thunderstorm. In the Taoist tradition, this is called Wu Wei, effortless action. The wisdom of letting your power flow without force. It's the frequency of waterfalls, galaxies, and sunrise. It doesn't try. It is. And so are you. When you stop trying to outrun the noise and rise above it instead, you become dangerous. Because now, nothing external can hijack your internal peace. You're not reacting to every ping, post, or pressure. You're moving like the main character in your own timeline. Because you are. And when you move from peace, your decisions are cleaner. Your boundaries are sharper. Your dreams are less frantic and more magnetic. Because you're no longer chasing energy. You are the energy. So the next time the world gets loud, don't spiral. Don't explain. Don't shrink. Rise. Breathe. Expand. And let that skyline remind you, you were never meant to survive the chaos. You were born to transcend it. Let that be your mantra. Let that be your medicine. This is your moment. This is your sky. And peace. Peace is your birthright. Above the noise. If this lifted you, even for a moment, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share it forward, and subscribe for more reminders to rise above the noise. Your peace is power.